Welcome back. Today we will see how to give the cosmetic threads in Solidworks. So what actually the cosmetic thread is? Actually it is the interpretation, graphical interpretation on any circular body of a thread in SolidWorks. So it is not actually giving the detailed thread on the shaft or in any spindle or something. It is only show the graphical uh, view or graphics on the that surface, that you can understand that this is the surface is threaded or this part of that shaft is threaded, and you will also get some details in the drafting when you give some dimension and all these things. So that is the purpose of cosmetic thread. Why actually need the cosmetic thread? First of all is, if you give the detailed thread to all the shafts and nuts and all these things, then it is too much size of file, and that will create, because they have too much detail of surface, because it is helix cut and all these things, and then the pitch and root and all these different dimensions you need to provide while doing the thread. So if you have the very big assembly, and then if you have many number of part which is having this kind of threads, so it is too difficult, it's too heavy for the SolidWorks to handle all these uh, surfaces, all these things. So I think to to have only the threads, it is not that much mandatory in the big assembly. So if you know that this is the graphical representation with threads, you can understand this threaded part. So that is a kind of option SolidWorks given to the user to easily manipulate or easily work on the bigger size of assembly. So it will reduce significantly the size of graphics used in the software. So we will see how we can provide um, the cosmetic threads with a simple example. So for that I have drawn the a bolt, a simple bolt. Currently it's without thread. So you need to go in the insert, then annotation, then you have cosmetic thread over here. Then it asks to select the circular edge. So I want to add the threads on this spindle or this face, this circular part. So I will select this edge. So now you can see by default it is taking M8 or something, but this is actually the size is 20 mm. So it is suitable to have M20 into 2. We have three different options over here: M20 1.5, 2 and 2.5. So I will go with 2. So if you see, it is a minor diameter automatically selected as per the pitch. If I change, now it's M20 minus 2 approximately, so it is about 18. If I go with 2, you can say 17.25. If I go with 1.5, 18.35. So it is depend on the pitch. So it's approximately 18 will be the minor diameter. Major diameter is of course M20. We have different options for the length of the thread. So it is up to next. So next is this surface or this uh, part. So it will software will make the thread still to the that surface. Then through is same, because it's complete one cylinder. Blind, you have a control over here with the length. So I will have, let's say I want to have thread till to the 50 mm. So it's, you can say 50 thread class. We have different thread class over there. You can select as per you want to have, and then say right. Okay. Now you can see over here is a small circle over here is 17.8. This is 50. Yes. So you can add this kind of cosmetic threads externally, internally, both way. I hope you understand the cosmetic threads. Thank you.